Oh,
No, hang on, Victor, please.
you left this tool here.
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. There we are, we lift it that side by prising it up. Use the fork on it. This is the reversing switch from a Renault Laguna. Renault Laguna, which we're having problem with. It's working intermittently. You can see by the way that the dirt has accumulated around the switch. There are two screws securing it to the central console. Once they've been released, the console's been lifted and two screws, they're torque headed. This comes out, there's the contact at the end, so we're going to clean this up, give it a good dusting, and then we're going to try contact cleaner. Sprayed in to the points which allow access, so held it this way round, sprayed in through them, played about with the switch, we shall reassemble and see if the reverse switch works. The brake switch on the Laguna is now working. The two pivot points that this switches on to the unit itself is attached to needed just a very slight lubrication with WD-40, just a drop each, and that is working as good as new on a vehicle that's 15 years old. Disassemble carefully. There are two torque screws holding this in place to the console. Decent quality, top quality contact cleaner was used as shown in the video, and you'll get a result.